Hi, I'm Tim, and I'm with Crystal Blue Plumbing, Heating, and Air. Our garbage disposals can be very dangerous. They're designed to chop and to grind. We've been installing and repairing garbage disposals for over 40 years. Really don't think about our garbage disposals being environmentally friendly, but they really are. You see, your garbage disposal prevents methane and greenhouse gases that are usually generated from rotten food waste. And don't forget, fats, oils, and grease are not our garbage disposal's friend. So for more information, tips, or even service for your garbage disposal, visit us at crystalblueplumbing.com or call us at 916-577-5020. And remember, we really do care.